In this session, we will discuss about objects and capabilities in Amoeba and the standard operations that can be performed on objects. Now, what do you understand by an object? The basic unifying concept underlying all the Amoeba servers and the services that they provide is the object. So, an object is an encapsulated piece of data upon which certain well-defined operations may be performed. These objects are passive, that is, they do not contain processes or methods or other active entities that do things. Instead, each object is managed by a server process. Now, how an operation is performed on an object? Now, to perform an operation on an object, a client does a remote procedure call with the server, specifying the object, the operation to be performed, and optionally any other parameters that are required. The server does the work and returns the answer. Operations are performed synchronously, that is, after initiating an RPC with the server to get some work done. The client thread is blocked until the server replies. Now, coming to capabilities. Now, the objects are named and protected in a uniform way by special tickets which are called as capabilities. So, to create an object, a client does a remote procedure call with an appropriate server specifying its requirements. The server then creates the object and returns a capability to the client. On subsequent operation, the client must present the capability to identify the object. So basically, when we say capability is nothing but it is just a long binary number. Now, how does a client perform an operation on an object? Now, when a client wants to perform an operation on an object, it calls a stub procedure that will build a message containing the object's capability, and after this it will trap to the kernel. Now, the kernel extracts the server port field from the capability and looks it up in its cache to locate the machine on which the server resides. If the port is not in the cache, that means it is located by the broadcasting process. The rest of the information that is provided in the capability is ignored by the kernels and passed to the server for its own use. Now, the second is the object. The object field is used by the server to identify the specific object in question. For example, a file server might manage thousands of files, with the object number being used to tell which one is being operated. The next field is the rights field. The rights field is a bitmap telling which of the allowed operations the holder of a capability may perform. For example, although a particular object may support reading and writing, a specific capability might be constructed with all the write bits except read bit, which is turned off. And finally, the check field. The check field is used for validating the capabilities. Capabilities are manipulated directly by user processes. Without some form of protection, there would be no way to prevent user processes from forging the capabilities. That is why the check field is provided. Now, the basic algorithm used to protect object is as follows. When an object is created, the server picks a random check field and stores it both in the capability and inside its own tables. Now, all the write bits in a new capability are initially set to on, and it is the owner capability that is returned to the client. Now, when the capability is sent back to the server in a request to perform an operation, this check field is verified. Now, how a restricted capability is created? To create a restricted capability, a client can pass a capability back to the server along with a bit mask of the new bits. The server takes the original check field from its table, exclusive ORs it with the new writes, and then runs the results to a one-way function. The server then creates a new capability with the same values in the object field, but the new write bits in the writes field. And the output of the one-way function in the check field. So it performs an exclusive OR with the check bits and the new write mask. Now this new capability is then written to the caller. The client may send this new capability to another process if it wishes, as capabilities are managed entirely in the user space. Now one thing to observe over here is, in this example, the owner has turned off all the writes except for one. For example, the restricted capability might allow the objects to be read but nothing else to be done. Now coming to standard operations that are valid on objects. It is possible to create an object in Amoeba and then lose the capability. So some mechanism is needed to get rid of old objects that are no longer accessible. The way that has been chosen is to have servers run a garbage collector periodically, removing all the objects that have not been used in garbage collection cycles. So the call age starts a new garbage collection cycle. The next is touch. The touch call tells the server that the object touched is still in use. Now when objects are entered into the directory server, they are touched periodically to keep the garbage collector at a safe distance. The next call is the copy call. The copy operation is a shortcut that makes it possible to duplicate an object without actually transferring it. Now without this operation, copying a file would require sending it over the network twice, from the server to the client and then back again. The destroy call operates or deletes the object. It always needs the appropriate writes for obvious reasons. The get params and set params call normally deal with the server as a whole rather than with a particular object. They allow the system admin to read and write parameters that control server operation. The info or the information call returns a short ASCII string describing the object briefly. The information in the string is server dependent. The status calls returns status information. For examples, how much memory or how much free memory it has. And the last call is the restrict call. Now this restrict call generates a new capability for the object with a subset of the current writes. So we have just seen how the restricted capability is created.